Tim 62 F100. We need to pull this third member. I'm gonna turn the light on. Yeah, we definitely need to pull this third member. It's been leaking a little while. Gonna go through it, reseal it, rebuild it, get that pulled apart, get this drive shaft out. I do need to pull the trans as well. Get that handled. All the drive shafts out. U-joints. New yoke, which we're still waiting on. And I have new shocks for the rear, and I think I forgot what else we have to do. Anyway, so on to getting the drive shaft out. That's going to be step one. Drive shaft, third member. Obviously, with third member, got to get the axles and the wheels and all that off. So it's gonna be a little busy, but it's all right. All right, we got our drive shaft pulled. Our yoke on our third member actually looks really nice. Of course, when the drive shaft came apart, we lost a bunch of needles and everything. It's seen better days. Yeah. Anyway, all right, drive shaft out. Drain plug action. Glad it has drain plug. Just get a little bucket here. I just want to see what the oil's gonna be like. Drain the oil, or what's left of it. Ooh. That's glittery. And there ain't much in it either. Alright, drive shaft's out. Shift linkages are out. Speedo cable's out. Gear actually looked good. So just gotta drain and undo our bolts here. Hopefully this baby should come right out. I'm obviously gonna lower the truck down because I'm not bench pressing it from that high. Same goes for that. All right, transmission. Gear oil looks pretty clean. Lots of metal schmutz on the magnet for the trans. Not liking that. So all this metal schmutz here on the rag, it's all off of the drain plug magnet. Ugh. All right, transmission's out. That was fairly straightforward and easy. Let me go ahead and turn a light on. We're gonna shoot up in there and check out everything in the clutch and in the bell housing and all that. All right, so our throwout bearing looks like it's seen better days. It's actually covered in schmutz. Ugh. So maybe we'll get a throwout bearing for this too. Just pop it in, pop it out, easy. Everything else in there is nice and clean and fairly dry. I mean, it's only yucky the backside here, but of course there's markings on it that say 57 Ford pickup, so that's fun. But there she is. All right, got our brake drums off. Both sides look pretty good, you know, fairly recent. Got the bolts out here, getting ready to, well, nuts off rather, we're getting ready to pull the axles out. Over here, I do have one more nut on the driver's side to pull. But next time you see them, these will be out. And then it's time to pop that third member. All right. So I'm pretty sure this has never been apart. Look at gasket paper here. That's all original. Look at the rust inside here and on this bearing. That bearing has definitely, I'm assuming, never been out. Trying to see if it says Fomoco on it. But it is icky. I might want to think about doing new bearings on the axles too while we're at it. Oh yeah, there's a original Fomoco seal. Look at that. Alright, so here we are on the driver's side. Rusty, crusty, icky poo. Didn't even have a gasket. So this side's been apart before. Looks like the seal has been replaced at some point. But it looks like the bearing hasn't. Wow. Ugh. Yuck. All right, so let's get that out. All right, so took some digging through the schmutz, but got all the nuts off our third member. Ugh. So that's ready to pop out. All right, so after hammering and banging on it and wrestling it and digging all the bolts out, it is loose. The third member is loose. Pull this out. Call her a day. All right, third member is out. Finally. That was a battle. Yuck. All right. That and that. I have a date with Mr. Justin. I'm going to take care of that at my shop. Time to load them up and head them out.